In this video, we will show you how to build a suburban house step by step and share some building ideas and tips along the way. Use the clickable sections below to keep track of what step you're on during this tutorial. Look for an area you think is best to build your house. Terraform the area if needed to give yourself enough space to build. Next, plan the layout of your build by using blocks to set a foundation. This will show you how much space you need for your house. For this build, we will have the main part in the middle and add an extension on each side. We will be using stone bricks for the foundation and smooth quartz on the edges with light gray concrete for the walls. Make sure to leave spaces for windows while building. You can use smooth quartz stairs or slabs to give the walls more definition and make them look less flat. The middle and left side of the house will have 2 floors, and the right side of the house will only have 1 floor. For the roof, we will use quartz stairs and stone brick stairs. Use light gray concrete to cover the gaps created by the roof. We will also add a small extension and roof on the right side of the house. Fill in the spaces you left for windows using black stained glass panes. You can also add windows to the roofs. For the floor inside the house, we will use birch planks. Make sure to add the flooring for the second floor as well. We will build a porch by the main entrance using smooth quartz blocks, slabs and stairs, and stone brick slabs. Then add stairs using stone brick stairs. To the right of the build, we'll add a garage door using dark oak planks. You can also add windows to the garage door. We will add a stone pavement in front of the house and a few plants and trees around. For the back of the house, we will add a balcony on the second floor. Also, we will add an entrance at the back that leads to the yard. You can use leaves as hedges. We'll add a barbecue grill using bricks and smokers and add a table outside to finish the backyard. As for the interior of the house, you can add walls to create rooms. Next, add stairs that lead to the second floor using stone brick stairs. Finish the interior however you like. I'm going for a classic suburban vibe with muted colors and a touch of antiques using wood blocks and colored blocks.